Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you this holiday look right now that I'm wearing. It's nice and simple but a little bold. Please subscribe. This is my first makeup tutorial video and I'm looking forward to do much more. Alright, so we're going to start by priming our eyelids using the Louise Base in number 2. Alright, so now we're going to go into the Sultry Palette, and mine is like a little damaged from when I purchased it, but this is how it looks like. I'm going to take the brush that it came with. It's this dual-ended brush right here. I'm going to take that fluffy side and I'm going to put the color Birch, which is this brown right here. Now we're going to take a smaller fluffy white brush right here, if this decides to focus. And we're going to go in with the color Twig, which is like, yes, it's like this cool tone, like brown, like khaki color. You have to dish that up, and we're gonna put that in our crease. And so at the end, at the corner of our eye, we're gonna be using the color Dystopian, which is like a dark brown right here. That just happened. Gold just fell out of my palette. Okay. And it made a huge mess on my table. Great. And we're going to be using a smaller brush. We're going to be using the Luxie 121, and this came in my BoxyCharm box for the month of November. I'm going to just take that and put it at the end right here. Just tap it in there. I'm just going to give it a little bit of darkness in here so I can create some dimension. And we're just going to take whatever's remaining on the brush, put it towards the front. Perfect. And now we're going to I'm gonna actually cut the crease. I'm gonna attempt this on here. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Tarte Shape tape. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna be using that same brush I used to put on my primer. Now we're gonna use all of these 4 brushes that came in my Toxic Charm of November. Perfect for doing precision work under the eye. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna start with Twig, which was that like gray brown color. I'm gonna just go and smoke that out. We're gonna go in Dystopian, which was that dark brown, and we're just gonna get that curl really close to our and then with the bigger brush, I'm gonna go and blend that out using Birch, which was that crease color that we used. And I kind of feel like putting a little pop or something. I'm thinking I'm gonna use that coral color that's on this palette, and we're gonna try to see if I can get that in there. Okay, now we're gonna go in and try to get an inner corner. And we're gonna use that same pearl color, and we're just gonna use that for the inner corner of the eye. And I need something for my brow bone, which I think I'm gonna use that fresh color, which is that matte. I'm gonna put that under our brow bone. Have something matte down there. Alrighty. Now let's get some mascara on. Mascara on. Alrighty. And I'm going to be using the Essence Volume Stylist. And we're just going to place that in the top and lower lashes. Alright, so I'm going to try this Vampy color, and this is by Kat Von D, and it's in Vampira. It looks like this. So this is the final look.